Hey guys, so it's been 2 days since I've installed this Fashion Nova balloon garland kit, and it's still looking good as new. It's literally right by the window and there is no oxidization. It's still looking shiny and crisp. So I'm gonna put it outdoors and see how it reacts to the heat and the sun. I think it's about 90 degrees outside right now, so we're gonna get some real results. I'm excited to see how it reacts, but it's been in the house for 2 days and it's looking good as new, so that is definitely a good thing. But right now I'm gonna put it outside and see how it goes. So you guys, I literally just brought it out here and it was just popping and going crazy before I even try to put it on the tree. But I just hang it on the tree so it could be directly in the sun and the heat, so I could get some real results. But as you can see, there's like balloons all over the grass right now, so I'm gonna leave it out here for a couple hours and then see how it reacts to the sun and the heat. But so far it's not done well. I'll check back in a couple of hours and then show you guys some real results. Alright you guys, so while we wait, I want to put you guys on to this quick and easy graduation party idea. As you all know, it's graduation season, and to spruce up your event or just to make an announcement in your front yard, you can use yard signs like a lot of people do for different type of events, especially for the graduation season. So if you'd like to purchase this yard sign kit, they have different colors and options for you. The link for it will be in the description box down below, so go ahead and purchase it. It takes literally less than 15 minutes to put it all together, and you can use it in your front yard or at your graduation event. So go ahead and purchase it. The link for it is in the description box down below. You guys, I just came out here and the garland is gone. I think it blew over the fence, so we're gonna try to find it. So we found the garland over the fence and I tied it back onto the tree. So we're gonna see how much longer it lasts. But it's not doing good because there's balloons all over the grass. Balloon flying over there. It oxidized really pretty though, but oh my gosh. It's been 2 hours since I've put the garland out here and yeah. We're losing it. We're losing it. We barely have anything left, but I guess this is the real test, huh? But this is all I have left. I'm gonna see how much longer it can stay up for. But all of the balloons, they're on the floor, they're on the grass. We're losing it. Look. So it's been about 6 to 7 hours since I put this balloon garland out here, and this is what's left of it. Same thing from the last update. Now I don't think anything else popped, or maybe it did, but this is what's left of the balloon garland after a couple hours. It's cooler outside now than it was earlier in the day. Like it got up to 100 degrees, so I guess today was a perfect day to review a balloon garland outdoor. So I don't think they're good for outdoors, but indoors definitely I think they're an okay kit to use indoors. But outdoors you might not get to keep the whole garland for the whole event, so I would just not use it outside. But let me know if you would try this down in the comment section below. Give this video a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and then I'll definitely catch y'all in the next video. Bye.